Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to remove a bot from a Discord server. So this can be done either via the web application, or if you've got the app downloaded onto your PC or laptop, you can do it that way as well. The steps are exactly the same for either of the apps, so it's all down to personal preference and what you personally use. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So as I say, you can do this on either the web-based application or the downloadable app, but in today's example video, I'm going to be doing this on the downloaded app. So what I'm going to do is come down to the search box and open up Discord. So once this is loaded, what you need to do is locate the server that you want to kick a bot from. Just bear in mind that you do need to be the server owner. You can't just go onto any server, for example, and kick any bot. You do need to actually be the server owner. So in this example, I'm going to use my Digital Tutor server. And if you look on the right-hand side, I've actually got a bot added already. This one down here, which is called Me6. So what you would do is just locate the bot from the list. And to remove that bot from the server, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is right click on their name. And then if you look down near the bottom, you've got two options. So kick or ban. And what you want to do is just click on this red one which says kick Me6. You don't need to worry about giving a reason, but you can give a reason if you want to kick the bot. But obviously that's not really necessary. That's more if you're kicking human members. And then all you need to do is click this red kick button, and you'll see that the bot has now been removed from the server. As I say, the process is exactly the same for the web-based application as well. So the steps are exactly the same. Just follow the steps and apply them to the web-based version if that's the application you prefer to use. But yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.